Building your brand has never been so easy with POP Customs, the all-in-one solution to your modern custom product needs. We offer hundreds of products that you won't see on traditional POD platforms. If you're tired of making the same products as everyone else, then look no further and check out what we have to offer. From clothing, shoes, accessories, and more, we have something to suit every brand. Our products are both affordable and high quality, meaning you can be confident that your customers will be happy with their purchase, and you can make high profits on each sale. We support worldwide shipping, and our extensive network of courier companies worldwide means we have the fastest transit times at affordable prices. We also have a 3D design maker that allows you to design and view your product from every angle. Let's not forget our realistic mock-ups that will show your customer a photorealistic preview of what they will receive. Gone are the days of boring, flat, and fake mock-ups that look nothing like the real thing. Unlike the majority of pod apps, we also offer embroidery services, EOD. Why not embroider your logo to enhance your brand image? We also offer a variety of services to help you grow your brand. Whether you're looking for help designing a product range or want to develop a brand new product exclusive to your brand, contact us today to make it happen.